Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto On-Chain. Before we dive into today's awesome content, I've got a quick giveaway for you. Wanna win some easy cash? Here's how to enter. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below telling me why you need an extra $80. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick a lucky winner. So let's get those likes up, and let's jump into the video. Time Farm Airdrop. Earn free crypto. Time Farm has taken the crypto world by storm, especially on Telegram. Since launching in June 2024, it's grown like crazy. By October 2024, 28 million users joined, with 15 million active users daily. Want to grab your share of their massive airdrop? Keep watching because I'll show you how to get in on this. What is Time Farm? Time Farm is a Telegram mini app built on the T blockchain. Created by the team behind Chronotech and LaborX, Time Farm lets you earn $2 tokens just by being active. With over 17 million users, this isn't just a trend, it's a movement. Key features: micro tasks, complete small tasks and earn rewards. Check-in rewards, log in every 4 hours to get tokens. Staking, lock your tokens for extra earnings. Referral program, invite friends and get bonuses. The Time Farm Airdrop. Here's your chance to grab free crypto. Time Farm is giving away $10 million second tokens to active users. This airdrop rewards engagement and helps the platform grow. It's a win-win. Why is the airdrop important? This airdrop isn't just about free tokens, it's your ticket to Time Farm's future. They're planning to add a micro-tasks marketplace and create a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, where you can vote on decisions. By joining, you're locking in your stake in a growing crypto ecosystem. Airdrop timeline and tokenomics. The big token generation event, TG, for $2 is set for December 2024. This will set the stage for how tokens are distributed. Key features: bot prevention. Only real users will earn. No bots. Better staking. More rewards for staking and referring. Increased token use. Expect more ways to use $2 across the platform. What can you do with $2 tokens? Pay for tasks. Use tokens for platform services. Vote on decisions. Join the DAO and help shape Time Farm's future. Use across Chronotech. Spend $2 in Chronotech's job-related services. So, if you're ready to earn and grow with Time Farm, now's the time to jump in. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to enter the giveaway for your chance to win $80. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.